Hi everyone, welcome to the third video in the projection of point series. In this video, I am going to explain the fifth and sixth problems. I hope you have already watched my previous two videos. Then only you will be able to understand the problems clearly and without any confusion. Now, I am going to explain problem number 5. Here, the projection of various points are already given. Your task is to identify the position of each point with respect to the planes of projection and state the distances in centimeters for this problem I will not construct in AutoCAD. I will only describe the positions how each point is situated. If you want to see the drawing steps, please refer to my earlier videos where I show the AutoCAD construction. Let's begin. If you observe the first point A, so I am going to write here. See, if you observe the front view and top view, both are below the reference line. So it means point A is situated. Point A is situated in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. It means so you will write the point A, you will write in this way, the point A is 2 centimeters below the horizontal plane and 5 centimeters in front of vertical plane. That is about point A. Okay, you will write like this. Come to point B. Okay, point B. See, if you observe, the top view is on reference line. As I said in my earlier videos, if top view is on reference line, it indicates B is lying on vertical plane. That is first fundamental step. Next step is B dash. It is below the reference line, means the point B is lying on horizontal plane and 4 centimeters below horizontal plane. Okay, come to point C. Here if you observe, the top view above the reference line, front view below the reference line, means point C is in third quadrant. Point C is in third quadrant. So how you describe this point means, point C is 3 centimeters below horizontal plane and 2 centimeters behind the vertical plane. In this way you will describe the position of the point C. Now come to point D. If the top view, here the front view is on reference line, observe, the front view is on reference line. It means I already explained in my earlier videos, D is lying on horizontal plane because the front view is on reference line, and 3 centimeters and 3 centimeters behind the vertical plane and 3 centimeters behind the vertical plane. If you understand, see, just I am going to draw for this one here. So this is second quadrant. The point D is lying on horizontal plane. So if you see this front view, observer stands here. Okay, the front view is here. That is D dash, capital D. The top view, if you observe the top view, the point is D here. To see this top view, the plane is rotated 90 degrees clockwise. So that's D. So like that, you will write if it is front view is on reference line, D is lying on horizontal plane, and 3 centimeter. This distance is 3 centimeter behind the vertical plane. And come to point E. Point E, both the views, front view and top view, above the reference line means E is in second quadrant. So how to describe this one is, if you observe, E dash. E dash means front view. That means above the reference line means above the horizontal plane. So the point E is 4 centimeters above horizontal plane and 1.5 centimeters behind vertical plane. So in this way, you will describe these points, and you can construct as per the dimensions given in the figure in the AutoCAD. Okay. Next, problem number 6. 2 points A and B are in horizontal plane. Are in horizontal plane. The point A is 30 mm in front of the vertical plane. Suppose. So 2 points are in horizontal plane. I don't know whether it is before in front of vertical plane or behind vertical plane. I don't know. First 2 points are on horizontal plane. Suppose the point A is, first observe, 30 mm in front of the vertical plane. So means this is the vertical plane. The point here it is capital A. It is 30 mm in front of the vertical plane. So this distance, okay, I am going to draw here. This distance is 30 mm. This is vertical plane in front of distance. While the point B is behind the vertical plane, but the distance is not mentioned in the problem. I think it is somewhere. I don't know B. Okay, but the distance between the projectors is 75 mm. The distance between the projectors is 75 mm. So this is the observer's view. Suppose if you see this, surely this is the front view of the capital A, and top view from this you can observe here the top view small a, and if you see the front view of this point B, it is also here, that is B dash. Here top view, somewhere it is B. So the distance between these two projectors, is given 75 mm distance. Okay, and the line joining the top views means this A and B. If you join these 2 points by using the line, that the angle is 45 degrees with xy. The line is 45 degrees xy. So find the distance of the point B from the vertical plane. So with this, here I am going to draw first xy line, x and y, 30 mm in front of the vertical plane. See, 30 mm in front of the vertical plane. So in conventional drawing, you can use the scale and draw the 30 mm distance like this. Suppose 30 mm. Okay, so this point is A. Front view is A dash. Next, I don't know this point where it is situated, but the distance between the projectors is how much it is given, 75 mm. So for that, I am going to draw dimension. This is 75 mm. Okay, or you can write somewhere here, right here, 75 mm. Yeah. Next, how to get that point B? But this is surely B dash. but where the B is located. For that I am going to draw one line. I am going to draw one line, some distance. Now draw the 45 degrees line with XY. For that use the scale. Okay, 45 degrees you have to maintain 45 degrees. Move the scale to this one. Draw a line like this. Okay, stop the scale. This is your point B. You can remove this one. So here you can show your dimension 45 degrees. Here it is a vertical plane and horizontal plane. Now I am explain in the construction of this problem in AutoCAD. Okay. So here for this I am going to take one problem, copy, just I will modify it. Okay, I don't need this one. Here ED, this is problem number 6. Okay, this is problem number 6. I'm going to remove this one, these two nuts. I'm going to remove. Okay, this two nut also I'm going to remove. So for this, first I'm going to draw a line here. So in the problem, observe, yeah, A and A dash. Draw a line. The distance it is 30 mm in front of the vertical plane. So here you put your dimension 30 mm and you will measure how much it is. Okay. So 30 mm. I am going to draw a line here. Line somewhere it is 30. Enter. Okay. So this is top view. This is front view. Okay. Next, O offset. What is the distance between the projectors is 75 mm. So 75 mm. For this one, I am going to stretch something, some distance. Okay. Or else you can enlarge it. That's it. Okay. The distance between this point and this point is dim linear. Okay. This and this 75 mm. Next, I am going to draw a line. This is from this point 45 degrees. So I have to adjust the polar 45 degrees, extend this line, trim this one. Okay. So trim this one also. Next, move what are the names of the points is A and B. So ED, A dash, A, B dash, B dash, B. So move B dash here, B here. If you want to increase the size of these points, because those are already lowercase, you just change the height to 3. Okay. Now identify the distances, dim linear, enter from this point to, or else somewhere you can select 45. The distance is 45. Here from this point to this point 30. Check enter, e-enter. This is problem number 6, and so one dimension I forget it. Dim angle, ANG, select this and this 45 degrees. Okay, and you will take this one print. Go to layout, just uh, type MS, enter. You can adjust the only one problem. Suppose if you want to take printout, you can take the printout, or else you can go to the template. As I already explained in my previous video, in this template you can copy. If it is any place is there, suppose move, observe, it is any place is there, you can place it. That is, suppose Control C, go to template, Control V. See, you can adjust it. Move, so move this problem here, move this one to here, move this one to here. You can adjust these two. See, Z enter, E enter. Now go to layout, take export command, create PDF. Here points 3. Points 3. That's it. So you can take printout on A4 sheet. You will place in your record. So with this, I will stop this session. In the next video, I am going to cover the remaining problems. Okay. Thank you.